Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the class. So let's start the class. Before starting with our today's topic, children, we'll just do a small warm-up activity. So what you have to do, you just collect 5 pencils. Go and collect, children, 5 pencils. Have you collected? Okay. Now out of that 5 pencils, children, you can give 3 pencils to anyone in your family. Just go and give 3 pencils to anyone in your family, children. Okay. So now you see how many pencils remain with you? 2. Right? So children, before you had 5 pencils, now you have 2 pencils, right? The number of pencils decreased, isn't it? So what calculation applies here? Subtraction, right? So let's start with our today's class. Today what we are going to do is we will solve some practice questions. So you can take out your maths copy and also your workbook. So children, let's start the class. Let's start with our practice questions which is in your workbook. Question 1. Solve using fingers. Now children, you know how to use your fingers, right? So you write down this question, solve using fingers. Write A, 9 minus 2. Now open your 9 fingers, children, and close your 2 fingers. Minus means close your 2 fingers. Now count the number of fingers are open. So how many number of fingers are open, children? 7. Yes. So 7 is the answer. Number B, 8 minus 3. You have to solve this using fingers. So open your 8 fingers, children. Now close your 3 fingers. Open your 8 fingers. Close your 3 fingers. Now how many fingers are open, children? Yes, 5. So the answer is 5. Number C, 5 minus 2. So bigger number is 5. So you have to open 5 fingers. Open 5 fingers and smaller number you have to close. That means 2 fingers you have to close. Now how many fingers remain open, children? 3. Very good. So the answer is 3. You do along with me, children. Next question you write. Subtract 4 from 5 by writing the numbers in column. Now children, column and vertical both are same, isn't it? So you have to subtract 4 from 5. Bigger number is 5, isn't it? So we will arrange 5 first. It is a single digit number, so we will put for ones place. Then we will arrange the bigger number, that is 5, and smaller number will come below the bigger number. So you have to subtract this. This is what we have arranged in column. So you subtract, bigger number is 5. That means you are going to open 5 fingers and close 4 fingers. How many fingers remain open? 1. So 1 is the answer. Done. Then next, number 3, fill in the blanks. Now you can see, children, there are some blanks. You can see. Yeah, so we have to fill up that. So first one, 7 minus 6. It is very easy, right? 7 minus 6 is what? Open 7 fingers, close 6 fingers. How many fingers remain open? 1. So 1 is the answer. Now children, here you know the answer, but we have to find the greater number. Isn't it? When we have to find the greater number, what we are going to do? We are going to do addition. When we find the greater number, children, what we are going to do? We are going to add 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 is what? 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is what, children? If you count in your fingers, open 5 fingers. Along with that, open 3 fingers on the other hand and count all the fingers. You will get 8 fingers. So what comes here? The greater number is 8. Understood? Okay. Now children, here we need a smaller number. Below the greater number comes what? smaller number, isn't it? And smaller number, how will we get? By subtracting, isn't it? So 8 minus 2. 8, open 8 fingers and close 2 fingers. So how many finger remains open, children? 6 fingers, isn't it? So 6 will come here. Understood? Now next, 6 minus 6. Now children, here what we need a smaller number, isn't it? Bigger number comes on the bigger number is arranged first and smaller number is arranged below the bigger number. So we have to find the smaller number. How can we find the smaller number, children? By subtracting. So which two numbers we are going to subtract? 6 minus 6. So when we subtract same numbers, what do we get? 0. So the answer is 0. Clear? Now again children, the top one is blank, isn't it? We always fill this with bigger number, right? So children, bigger number how will we find? By adding. Smaller number we find by subtracting, isn't it? So which two numbers we are going to add? These two numbers. 4 plus 0 is what? 4. 0 plus 4 is your 4. Understood? So if you subtract, you get the answer 0. Isn't it very easy, children? You practice at home. You write down this now. Number 4, subtract 3 from 8 by writing in the numbers in columns. You have to do same as number 2. You can do it, right? Then number 5, Maya had 46 marbles. She kept 9 of them in box. How many marbles are left? When the word left is there, children, what you are going to do? Subtraction. And word problems we have already done many, isn't it? So you try yourself. Number 6, subtract the numbers using the number line. So children, you know how to subtract using the number line, right? But be careful with this when it is written 2 from 4. When it is written 2 from 4, it does not mean 2 minus 4. It is completely wrong, children. If you write 2 minus 4, it is wrong. It is wrong. It is completely wrong. Don't do this, children. When the word from is there, it means... When the word from is there, children, it means we have to bring the bigger number first. That is 4 will come first and minus sign then. And then 2 you will go. Okay, that means when you will make the number line, we have to go from 0 to 4. Then we'll come back. How many steps? 2 steps. Understood? This is how we are going to do. So, you have to complete till F. So, I'll stop here, children. You complete this work and submit me in the Google Classroom. Okay? That's all for today, children. Before ending with the class, I would like to tell you, there is one question. Write in your own words when subtraction is used. Now children, you know that what is the use of subtraction? Subtraction is used to find the smaller number, right? To find the bigger number, we do addition, isn't it? So when the things are reduced, when the things are less, so you can give some examples. Whatever, children, whatever comes in your mind, you can give in your own words. This answer can be in your own words. Okay, when subtraction is used, you can say when things are taken away, or you can say when things are removed from the total, isn't it? The remaining. So this is how we. These are the situations when we do subtractions. So you can give this in your own words with examples as you want. So children, that's all for today. Thank you so much.